In this video, we demonstrate how organizational network technology uncovers critical areas of improvement in your organization and follows smart value drivers to create competitiveness and value creation. Companies globally are struggling to accelerate digital transformation, improve innovation, build agile organizations and teams, streamline processes, and lower costs. Network leadership is a natural approach to working methods of the future. JOIN21 Academy helps managers and employees prepare and use network leadership in their organization and elsewhere in life. Choose between open global courses and customized courses that include a network analysis test in your organization. It makes it easy for customers to test our products, see the possibilities, and understand the importance of networking. JOIN21 Insights is Google Earth for organizations. Zoom in on departments, teams, and people, or zoom out to map your organization's external relationships. We always offer a free pilot where we do a simplified version for the management team, a department, or a project. Based on the pilot, customers continue to the full insights process. A relevant template is selected, in this case, agility and workplace, and it is easy to add or change some questions if needed. In addition, relevant data collection methods are set up in relation to employees, technology, and workplace. It is common to start with a digital survey to all employees with a focus on expertise, networking, and processes. When employees respond, it creates an awareness on networks. It also creates an important baseline, a 0 point, for your organization to follow improvements and changes over time. It is easy to follow up on and correlate data from relevant technology, such as digital helpers or bots, HR data, and/or platforms such as Workplace, Slack, or Office 365. Many of our customers include customers and partners to get comprehensive, factual basis about both the organization's internal and external networks. The system has produced a company overview report to the management team, a team report, and a personal report to all employees. At the top left, you can see the total JOIN21 index and developments on each of the 8 value drivers. On the left, you can see the company as a hierarchy, and on the right, the same organization as a network. Often, the first time a leader has seen the organization as a network. The departments also have their value drivers calculated. Here you can also zoom in and see relationships between departments, see silos, and which departments work well together. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the results of the departments summarized in a JOIN21 index. With machine learning and artificial intelligence, the system collects the most important information for the management team. JOIN21 Insights also provides more detailed overviews of the departments, so it is easy for the management team to see which departments to focus on. The panels below are examples of insights this management team has chosen, such as the JOIN21 index and department results on the right. The sales department is compared with the marketing department. After the management team has evaluated the results, they provide personal pages for all managers and employees, so employees can see where in the organization they are and see their own network. The network of this person is quite small, so the system has suggested to contact 2 relevant people. In addition, the person can see what expertise others are searching for and easily reach out to build the network stronger. With artificial intelligence, JOIN21 Insights will provide relevant recommendations, and the system also collects personal advice from their manager. Management has decided to use JOIN21 Insights so that they can follow developments in real time and submit monthly reports to follow organizational developments and how they leverage their external network with customers, partners, and suppliers. JOIN21 Insights is a critical tool to ensure agility, quality, and growth.